Hello and welcome to Learn English with Fun Classes, everyone. In this 2025, if you are a human being and not using Chat GPT, not using any AI tool, then you are making blunder. Why am I telling you? As I am an English language coach, I guide people how to speak, how to talk there in English. But why am I talking today like this? I want you to understand that the value and the immense benefits of using AI tools. Whether you are a working professional, a student, or even a parent, you need to learn how to use AI tools very perfectly. If you don't know how to use, if you don't upgrade yourselves, you'll step back and somehow you will keep working hard for a long time for the rest of your life. You can never be smart, you can never do anything smartly. So if you want to switch the way of working, then you need to learn uses of AI tools. Today in this video, I will guide you how to use AI tools to improve your English language communication. Today I will help you to understand how you can use AI tool to improve your English speaking fluency. Well, in that video, I'll show you the mobile phone screen right now here. I'll keep practicing right now with the help of AI chatbot and will guide you everything from zero till the end, that how you can become perfect, how you can become the master of English by using chatbot, by using AI tools. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Hi Gemini, sorry for the disturbance. Are you now ready to chat?
I'm ready to chat. What's on your mind?
There is nothing special in my mind. Would you like to suggest some short topics by which we can talk a little bit?
Of course. We could talk about your favorite hobbies or something else you're passionate about. What do you think?
Alright, we can talk about our favorite hobbies. What is your favorite hobby, Gemini?
As a large language model, I don't have hobbies in the same way people do, but I do enjoy learning about new things and helping people with their tasks.
That sounds amazing that you love to help people. I also love to help people. I help them by teaching them. I am a teacher. I teach them. I love teaching.
That's wonderful. It sounds like you found a really fulfilling career. What subjects do you teach?
I love to teach English.
That's fantastic. English is such a widely spoken language. I'm sure your students really appreciate your help. What do you enjoy most about teaching English?
But Gemini, I am not very confident talking to you in English. Can you please suggest, can you please help me to speak more and more? Can you please make me speak right now more and more so that I can talk and practice my English speaking fluency with you?
I understand. It's completely normal to feel a little nervous when speaking a new language. Just relax, take your time, and don't worry about making mistakes. Every little bit of practice helps, and I'm confident that you'll see improvement before you know it.
Alright, I will surely practice from my side. Can you please help me to speak? Can you please make me speak in English for some time right now?
Absolutely. Let's start with your day. What did you get up to today?
Well, I don't know how to talk. I don't know how to talk about my day. Can you please guide me how to talk?
Sure. You could start by telling me what time you woke up, what you had for breakfast, or what you've been doing so far today. Just relax. And don't worry about making mistakes. I'm here to help.
Alright, so I got up today at 6 o'clock in the morning, and after getting freshened up, I prepared my breakfast, and that was Maggie. I love to eat Maggie, and that's what I prepared, and I ate that in the morning. What about you?
That sounds delicious. I'm glad you enjoyed your breakfast. So what did you get up to after breakfast? Did you have any plans for the day?
Yeah, I had some plans. I had some plans to go outside, but it got cancelled because it started raining so heavily in my area. You know that it rained so heavily in my area?
Oh no, that's a bummer. Hopefully the rain clears up soon so you can still go out. Do you have any backup plans for the day? Maybe a movie you've been wanting to watch, or a book you could read?
Yeah, I had been planning to watch a movie, but I couldn't watch because the electricity was not there, power was not there, my laptop was not charged, my phone was not charged. Everything was discharged that time.
Oh no, that's frustrating. Hopefully the power comes back on soon so you can charge your devices. In the meantime, maybe you could read a book, listen to some music, or do some stretches to pass the time.
Yeah, I did the same. I did some exercises there in the morning, and I prepared my breakfast, I prepared my meal, and that's it. Right now I'm talking to you.
That's great. It sounds like you're making the most of your day despite the rain and power outage. I'm glad you're staying active and productive.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, what are you hoping to learn or practice in our conversations? Are there any specific topics you'd like to discuss? Or should we just see where the conversation takes
You
us?
you suggest me. I can practice. What should I practice? I'm at the basic level. I'm a very beginner at learning English. Could you please help me to learn it?
Since you're a beginner, we can focus on building vocabulary and practicing basic sentence structures. We could start with everyday situations, like ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. How does that sound?
Yeah, second option looks better.
Great. Let's start with asking for directions. Imagine you're in a new city and need to find the train station. What would you say to a passerby?
All right. Excuse me, Gemini. May I ask you a question?
Of course.
Can you
What
please
can I help you with?
can you please guide me to railway station here because I'm new here, please?
Sure. The train station is about 2 blocks north from here. You'll see a big white building with a clock tower. You can't miss it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Let's practice more sentences. Let's practice more conversations, Gemini.
Sure. What's your favorite type of food?
Well, I love to eat Indian food. Yeah, I love to eat Indian food.
Indian food has so much flavor. Do you have a favorite dish?
But yeah, I cannot tell you. That's secret.
Okay, I understand. Well, what's your favorite thing about Indian food?
I love the taste. I love the flavors. I love the way they cook. So these are the things that I love.
I agree. The flavors in Indian food are amazing. Have you ever tried making any Indian dishes yourself?
Yeah, I have tried many of the dishes. Have you ever tried cooking? Do you know cooking? How are you at cooking?
I don't have a kitchen or taste buds, so I haven't tried cooking. But I can access tons of recipes and cooking information. Maybe I could even help you find some new Indian dishes to try.
All right. Gemini, I'm getting late a little bit. I have to go to my classroom. So can we talk later? Can we see you later?
Of course. Have a great class, and feel free to reach out whenever you're free to chat again.
Thank you, Gemini. Thanks a lot for helping me.
You're very welcome. I enjoyed our conversation. Good luck with your studies, and I hope you have a great day.
So this was a short but yet very powerful conversation with this AI tool called Gemini. And I hope if you learn how to use this particular application called Gemini, you can change your speaking style. You can improve your speaking style so much, and you can become so fluent. The fluency that you're looking for, that's the fluency that you have been looking for a long time. So you'll get that fluency with the help of this application. So install it right now, start practicing with this powerful AI tool called Gemini. We have already uploaded part 1 of Gemini. So make sure to watch that video as well and put some good elements in the comment box. I want to check them. I want to see them. I want to appreciate all of you guys that if you are trying to learn speaking English. So we will see you in the next class now. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Keep practicing with this powerful AI tool called Gemini.